The Collins.
They're Nelson supermodels.
Dr. and Mrs. Collins foster kids. They moved down here from Alaska like a few years ago. They kind of keep to themselves. Yeah, because they're all together. Like,
now entering the cafeteria, representing the color white, it's Rosalie and Emmett.
That's Rosalie. And the big dark-haired guy, Emmett. They're like a thing.
So
I'm not even sure that's legal. Yes. Actually related. Yeah, but they live together. It's weird. And, okay, the little dark-haired girl is Alice. She's really weird. And she's with Jasper, the blonde one who looks like he's in pain.
I'm in pain because I'm in this fucking movie.
Foster dad slash matchmaker.
Flash Bananas
Maybe he'll
Foster.
die. Who's he?
Oh, that's Cedric Diggory.
Cohen.
No.
Nobody here is good enough for him.
That's true, I heard that.
So, seriously, like, don't waste your time. What are we planning on?
That's a lie.
So.